So a couple of things that I'm noticing is this is a different color white than that, so that's probably a repair situation. And we see the crack over here, and this crack on this side's not as bad, but this is the scary part. I'm standing on the boat with my left foot and over here with my right foot. See how it's flexing? I'm afraid that can break off if you anchor, because the pivot point or the fulcrum point's way out there at that roller, not over here at the bow of the boat, but way out there at the roller. So I would discourage you from anchoring until you can get that repaired.
Okay.
Not good news, but it's better to understand that so that you don't break it off. That's a good anchor. That's a Delta plow style anchor, very popular anchor, especially for sandy conditions. Not the best anchor for mud. You want a Bruce type anchor or a scoop type anchor for the mud. So this is your anchor windlass.
So we have to replace this whole fulcrum here is what has to happen?
The platform, the anchor pulpit.
I don't know if that has to be replaced or just something done to it.
Well, you might take it off and beef it up with some aluminum flat bars and put it back on.
Yeah.
That's a possibility. Now, thing about your anchor windlass here, this is called Pawl, P-A-W-L. See how that's a lock right there? Take that off. This is a clutch.
And
You should have a tool, looks like a little pipe.
I have not seen that.
And you can see that the anchor windlass has been taken off and put back on. Not the best job in the world. And now let's open up this. Here we go. Open that up. So
I got it.
I guess the only way we can get into the anchor locker is we have to go into the forward stateroom and look up underneath the bed. Or
All right.
forward of the bed. And you said that this is jammed? Let's go ahead and
Well,
close
it
this door.
was balled up right under here.
Okay, let's close this
I got all
door.
that straightened out, but the winch still doesn't work. And I guess that we
Okay, so
it
this is,
that flipped right up.
well, not doing it today. We might have to get a little tool to work on it. And try either of those, see if the windlass will grunt. Do the out button. Okay, so we got to go find the circuit breaker for this and see if we can re-energize the electric motor. All right, so we'll look at the helm and then we'll look in the forward stateroom, probably on the starboard side of the bed.